With a plane load of asylum seekers ready to go, the government's Malaysia solution is stuck on hold. The High Court has put the people swap deal in limbo for at least another 2 weeks. That's when a full bench will hear arguments about whether the government has the power to fly people out. In the meantime, the first group destined for Kuala Lumpur will stay right where it is, on Christmas Island. Chief Political Correspondent Mark Simpkin has been following the case at the High Court in Canberra.
The government always expected protests and legal challenges. It's got them, but the minister insists his resolve is rock solid.
The Commonwealth Government is on very strong legal grounds. Very strong legal grounds.
The government wanted to send the first plane load of asylum seekers from Christmas Island to Malaysia today. The jet was ready to go, but its prospective passengers certainly weren't. Their lawyer says the asylum seekers are petrified. Some are on a hunger strike, and an ambulance was called to the detention centre to treat 3 teenagers for dehydration.
I understand people's frustrations. I understand people's disappointment and concern. But I also know that that sort of protest does not achieve the outcomes that people are after.
The legal protest was heard by the High Court this afternoon, and the judge was clearly unimpressed with the Commonwealth, at one point upbraiding the Solicitor General for not having his documents in order. It's unsatisfactory that this matter proceed in this half-baked manner, Justice Hayne declared. He extended his injunction and referred the matter to the full court, ruling there are serious questions about whether the Immigration Minister can unilaterally declare Malaysia's human rights standards are high enough.
What the court has said is that the Australian government at the moment is prohibited from expelling our clients to Malaysia pending the outcome of this case.
So what we've had is the High Court twice in 2 days send a very clear message, I think, about some serious issues with this policy.
The full bench will hear the case in a fortnight, but may not decide it for months, leaving the asylum seekers and the Malaysia solution in limbo.